Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about how Trump's new meme coin could still make you a lot of money. Now, recently, Trump has released their new meme coin, right? And it has a huge value. I think the market capitalization for Trump reached nearly $5 billion here, right? According to coinmarketcap.com. And I actually have the charts right here, right? And it peaked at around $74, right? But if you bought, like, play a scenario here. If you bought the coin right here during this time when it was $28 and then you sold during its peak at $73, it's almost a $50 profit per coin, right? So if you buy now at the current price of $49 and somehow the value shot up all the way to $100, you'll be almost making double the returns. Now, that is a hypothetical scenario, right? It could happen and it could not happen. And if it does happen, you'll be very crazy rich, right? It's almost double the money. It's basically a gambling win, right? But you need to remember how volatile this entire market is. Those who's active in the space know that cryptocurrency is volatile, which means it could fluctuate really extremely. It could be really valuable at one day and then it could drop to nothing the next day. And this is especially true for meme coins as well, since most of them is a bump and dump. So if you really know what you're doing, you could make a lot of money, but there is a huge risk of losing a lot of your money as well. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.